Hello guys, we are going towards Malvan. Because today is Mirak. It is like a what you call it? It's pratha, or maybe you can.
It's kind of rituals where
kind of ritual.
the newly married couples are not allowed to stay in the home.
Both, like from mother's
from
side
mother's side and from husband's side. Okay, so it's like we have to stay somewhere else for tonight. We cannot see the what do you call it, shelter of our house.
Yes, and the rain
Today.
from our house.
Yes.
It is like that.
So that's why we have planned now to
Stay go a little bit of away. That is not too much, but only 2 hours away.
Yes.
That is, it's
The
nearby.
Malvan beach is close to us from Goa. It is almost 2 hours,
Yes.
78 kilometers from here, and we just now left from our house. Okay, so we will be going to Malvan tonight. So we will be staying tonight there, and tomorrow early morning. And tomorrow early morning we will be exploring the Malvan beach.
Yeah.
Maybe
So that we will
nearby
be able
places.
to shoot for a vlog, that content for vlog.
Yes.
So that's why we are traveling. Otherwise, we would have stayed nearby only.
Yeah.
But since we want some of the content for vlogs, that's why we are taking opportunities like this to shoot or to explore.
As you can see, this
Yeah.
is like we have on the spot decided,
Yes.
and she was not ready at all. So
Yeah,
she
that's
is
why I'm doing makeup.
doing the makeup
Not makeup, like it's very
It's
mild makeup.
mild.
This is lip balm. I am
right
applying.
now in the car.
Hmm.
So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll make this vlog interesting today,
Yes.
as usual. Guys, we have now reached at Malvan at 9:15 p.m. and now we have waited for
Dinner.
dinner. So we have found one beautiful proper Khanawar
Khanawar.
type where we will have some fish thali or chicken thali. Maybe we will show you.
my thali has not yet arrived. I am so hungry that I am making Sahil's thali now.
And it's
This
very
is prawn gravy. This taste is actually a Malwani taste, like a proper authentic Malwani masala you can feel. I have ordered chicken thali. No, I'll not give the Sahil. Liked as solkadi, so that's why I've taken one more glass of solkadi.
very nice. So we had
It was actually a great food.
so we
Very
had stayed.
authentic.
We have taken a halt at this hotel Brahmapurna. Purna Brahma, it is not Brahmapurna. Very nice. So now we are checking into the hotel. So we have already booked our property. So we have checked in at our hotel. Actually, we have already contacted this hotel, which is Malwan Heritage and Restaurant, to reserve a room for us, and he had reserved us, and now we have checked in and did our payment formalities. So this is the room, this is the entrance, this is the bed, cupboard, TV, AC is there, 2 fans. This is the washroom. So actually nice washroom. And this is a balcony which we will show you tomorrow because now it's not visible at all. Okay, so yes, we will get ready, freshen up and go to bed now because we are not tired actually, but we want to sleep properly. So we will wake up early morning and we will explore the Malwan city. So this trip was unplanned for us. We just packed the bags and we left from the home and we reached at Malwan today. So yeah, see you tomorrow morning. Chalo. So good morning guys. We just woke up, had a bath, and now we have ordered a breakfast, like small breakfast in the room itself. Then we will be going outside to have proper breakfast. So we have ordered bread butter and tea. Okay. So this is a view outside. Yes, and we are having a breakfast.
So we are now doing checkout. So it's around 10 a.m. now. We'll see where we will go to travel. So see you there.
So we have now checked out of the room.
And I think we are going to have a breakfast.
First we'll have a breakfast, proper breakfast.
Because here they are not, there are not.
Yeah, there were not more options
Yes.
available. There was only Maggie, then toast,
Yes.
bread butter and bread omelette. So
That's why we have ordered toast just because we were hungry early morning. And now we will have a breakfast in the same restaurant, that Khanavar, not restaurant,
where we
where
had
we had dinner.
At dinner
And
yesterday.
it is ran by the women. So they are serving like a homemade food. So see you there. market.
Poi
So
the fish market.
I think so. It's a fish market.
What a kilo? Fort.
You can see a fort. I don't know if you can see. But
So guys, we have reached near the fort, Sindhudurga Fort, the very famous fort of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As you can see, there is, she's sitting inside. This is a fort. Here you can see the Shivaji statue, and this is the fort. Okay, so to go inside the fort, we will have to take, I think, ship from somewhere here. Okay, the ships will come over here at this point, and it will go to that point. That told, first we will have the breakfast, and then we might come over here to maybe see the fort.
I'm not going out because I'm having a little bit of intolerance to sun rays. So this is Malvan market.
So we have now came at Malvan's Shivaji statue.
Fort.
Fort.
It's a fort.
No, that is fort. That one. This is a statue.
Okay.
Shivaji statue. This is not a fort. So this is a Shivaji statue over here. The big statue. Actually, we are at the Shivaji statue, and this thing Malvan Sindhudurga Fort is over there. That is Sindhudurga Fort. Okay. So it's currently closed, I think. We have to take a ferry from over there, and we have to go all the way to there. Okay. So I think because of rain, the boats are closed right now. We are done with watching the statue and exploring the Malvan. Now our plan is to go to Devbagh Garden. So it's almost one Devbagh Garden, yes. So we will be going there. The distance is
1 hour,
almost
18
48 kilometers and time is 1 hour 18 minutes. Yes. So we are going there. So stay tuned. If you like our vlogs, then please subscribe and share and comment down whatever you have liked, whatever you have disliked. Okay. चावी काढ गाडीतली. Saw something beautiful bridge over here. This is the view. So we are exploring this view. Now we have reached at Devbagh Garden.
See here, windmill, if you can see, I don't know. You can
This is the
see,
windmill.
I have seen some of the, what we call it? We call it sane. कसं म्हटला?
इथे लिंबू सोडा मिळते का? लिंबू सोडा मिळते.
So we used to eat this in school.
कितले त्याचे?
झाले ना? So this I used to use. I used to eat when I was in my school level.
So she went over there. But I don't want to go there. So now we have to climb till there. Chalo, let's go. We are now climbing up. While coming down it was easy. Now going up it is tiring. Chal. He's tired now sitting over here. Still we have to go up at this point. Yeah. So we climbed from there till here. And we have reached now. Finally. Yeah. Maka kudun di orange. Ada ka? Bara? Ha? It's so hot over here. After climbing the steps, we felt sweating. So we took one juice. That is one.
Rasna. It took rasna.
It was rasna, chilled rasna. And now we want some lunch. Actually we want AC, so we will be going in car.
It's too humid here.
And we will be having lunch now. It's almost 2 p.m. So yeah, it was nice experience in Deobag. So we just had our lunch. I had mackerel thali and she had chicken thali. Also we tried some special fried prawns. Okay. So yeah, our stomach is full now and
But I have not eaten chicken pieces.
yes, she is not eating chicken pieces. She
Only it's gravy.
gravy. She eats only gravy. So now we left from Deobag and we are going to our home now, Goa. This was our Goa to Malvan and Malvan to Deobag and again Deobag to Goa vlog.
Yes. Hope we will do such more trip. This was the 2 trip. It was
This trip was actually unplanned from our side. So we just have to leave from home due to some rituals that we don't have to see the roof of our home in some of the Mirag rain. Mirgatso Paus. Okay. So stay tuned. Okay.